Switch off na. I will start the engine. Check engine light doesn't exist. I get a well-known camshaft ringtone. See, this Grand Cherokee has a port code of PO394, which is Bang 2 and Sensor 2. PO394, which is Bang 2 and Sensor 2. Jeep Grand Cherokee is still searching for the camshaft ringtone. I have to find the well-known camshaft ringtone here. This is our old one. Swapping of ringtone is in progress to get the specified value of the sensor. I did not change any parts except the what you call this, the magneto-resistive sensor. That is the magneto-resistive sensor. I have old one here. I will use the magneto-resistive sensor, not the camshaft. Replacing the magneto-resistive sensor should be properly aligned to the sensor. If you didn't align properly, it will create a trouble code. Now I reset already the magneto-resistive sensor.